Morning students, welcome to your VBPS e-learning class. I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. This is your English period. I am your English teacher. You all know that we were studying English language. Today we will do one exercise B from page number 16. So dear students, open the book and start the work, and if you have completed your work, then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Okay? Students, today again we will study lesson number 3, A and the, but from page number 16. More about A and an. A and an are called indefinite articles. What A and an are called? They are called as indefinite articles. This means we can't use A and an about a particular place or thing. Like we say that the sun, the moon, the United States of America. In these places, in these things, we can't use a or an. So, they are indefinite articles. See, he lives in a village. In the above example, can one guess in which village he lives? It is not particular that in which village he or she lives. No one cannot guess the village he lives in. It can be any village. Now we will study about the. Let us read about the use of the. Use of the examples. We use the when we talk or write about things that are only one of its kinds. Those are only one of kind, like the sun, the earth, the moon, the sky. We don't have two suns. We don't have two earth. We have only one earth. So we will use the. We have only one sun. So we will use the. We have one moon. So we will use the moon. Right? We use the with special names, like the Taj Mahal. There is only one Taj Mahal and it is very special, and we all know it is situated in Agra. The Taj Mahal. We use a or an when we talk about things for the first time, but when we talk about those particular or definite things, again we use the. When we talk about first time, we will use a or an, but again in one sentence if we are talking, then we will use the. I have an orange in my basket. I want to eat the orange. Now in the first one we used an, but in the second one we have used the. Now we will come to study more about the. The is called definite article. A and they are called indefinite because the is used with a particular person, animal or thing. We do not use the before the name of a people. Like my name is Antra. I don't use the before my the Antra. The part we don't use like this. We usually do not use the before the names of village, towns, cities or country. We don't use the before villages, towns, cities or country. We also use the. We use the before the name of the rivers, religious book. Rivers mean the Mahanadi, the Tapti Nadi, the Ganga. Religious book, the Mahabharata, the Ramayana. Monuments, the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar and many others. Now, in some cases, we use the before the name of some countries like the United States of America, the United Kingdom, the Bahamas, the Republic. Now, we have studied about the over here. Now we will fill this exercise number B. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. It is an vowel, so we will use an. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Right? A stitch in time saves 9. A bird flies in the sky. Which is the longest river in India? Bill Gates is an American. She bought an expensive pen. We solved a difficult sum. The earth moves round the sun. The Gita is a religious book of the Hindus. The Ganga is a holy river. Students, you have to fill this exercise in your book. Fill this exercise in your book and then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. If you have completed your work, then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Your homework is learn the exercise B from page number 16, lesson number 3, articles A and the. That's all for today, students. Have a good day. Thank you.